Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Mathematics School. Hope you all are doing great. So let's see what is the question for today in this 30 days 30 questions JEE Advanced series. Which says that let f be a real valued differentiable function on R. Let f be a real valued differentiable function on R such that e power minus x into f of x is equals to 3 by e square plus 4 e power minus x integral 2 to x root over 2t square plus 6t plus 5 dt for all r. And let g of x be equals to f inverse x. Then find the value of अभी हमें किसका वैल्यू फाइंड करना है? We need to find out the value of integral part of g dash of 3 plus integral part of modulus of g double dash of 3. Okay, so we need to find out the value of this expression. Yani again you can see that how we are clubbing the concept of integration with the concepts of differential calculus. Function के inverse के derivative से related question, which is like a important article or important topic for JEE Advanced. They definitely frame question on this article कि function के inverse का derivative you have to find out. And secondly, we will be using Leibniz theorem for solving the question. So integral calculus में definite integration chapter का important article है Leibniz theorem, जिस पे definitely IT question frame करता है. So I can say that overall the question has become very important because it is the combination of two very important and IT's favorite topics in the single question, right? So हम लोग इसे जरा solve करके देखते हैं how we are going to solve the question. What actually you need is g dash 3. तो पहले तो मैं फॉर्मूला आपको याद दिला देती हूँ. What exactly do we have for inverse function का derivative? So if g is the inverse of f, then g dash of y is written as 1 upon f dash of x. यानी जो भी y यहाँ लिखा है उसके corresponding आप x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे लिखोगे. 1 upon f dash of x will give you g dash of y. Similarly, g double dash of y, when you are evaluating, you will be getting it as minus f double dash of x upon f dash of x का whole cube. यानी जो भी वैल्यू यहाँ पर लिखी गई है उसके corresponding x you will have to evaluate, and after that you have to keep that value over here to get the answer for the question, right? चलिए अब देखना क्या, एक तो f dash चाहिए कि f double dash की जरूरत पड़ेगी, और साथ में मुझे ये भी देखना है कि when y is turning out to be 3, what exactly is the value of x we are getting. ठीक है, in fact I'll go in the reverse direction because see I don't want to integrate it. ऐसा नहीं कि नहीं इंटीग्रेट कर सकते, रूट ओवर क्वाड्रेटिक है तो इंटीग्रेट तो हो ही जाएगा. But don't just go in that direction. The question is not meant to be solved like that. ठीक है, ये क्वेश्चन इसलिए नहीं फ्रेम किया गया है कि आपका इंटीग्रेशन चेक किया जाए. They just want to check whether you know the concept of Leibniz theorem and all that. ठीक है, तो इंटीग्रेट नहीं करेंगे. हाँ, अब अगर कुछ भी नहीं सॉल्व हो रहा है तो इंटीग्रेशन पर आ जाएंगे, बट अभी हम इसे नहीं इंटीग्रेट करने वाले हैं. I just want to find out certain value for the function. किस x पर conveniently आप वैल्यू निकाल पाओगे? So I can say when x is 2, I can easily evaluate the value. I said okay fine, चलो हम कैलकुलेट करते हैं what is the value we are going to get. ठीक है, जरा चेक करेंगे. So when you have x is equals to 2, you will be getting e power minus 2 into f of 2 is equals to 3 by e square. The second term will vanish because lower and upper limit coincides. It indicates that f of 2 is turning out to be 3. Implies in case you are talking about g of 3, it will be 2. Because g inverse of f है ना, तो g of 3 कितना आ जाएगा? 2. चलो, तो मतलब ये प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व हो गया कि when y is taking the value 3, what should be x? So now we know that when we are keeping y as 3, I need to keep x as equals to 2. x को तो 2 रखना पड़ेगा. ठीक है भाई, रख लेंगे. अभी क्या करना है, अब आपको f dash की जरूरत पड़ेगी. तो चलिए देखते हैं क्या हम फंक्शन को डायरेक्टली डिफरेंशिएट कर सकते हैं. सो हमारे पास जो फंक्शन है ये रहा. ठीक है, फंक्शन का f dash निकालना है तो मैं e पर माइनस x को यहाँ से सेपरेट कर दूंगी, बिकॉज नहीं तो क्या होगा, प्रोडक्ट रूल की वजह से बार बार fx आता रहेगा, राइट? तो हम e पर x से मल्टीप्लाई करके दोनों साइड, And then what we are going to do, we are going to differentiate using Leibniz theorem. And yes, that can be done because it is a function of single variable t. तो हम Leibniz theorem use कर पाएंगे. हम पहले function लिख लेते हैं. हमारे पास जो function f of x given है, that is actually 3 e power x upon e का square plus 4 integral 2 to x root over 2t square plus 6t plus 5 dt. Correct? This is how we can write it. अभी डिफरेंशिएट करना शुरू करिए, सेकेंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव तक जाना है. तो आई स्टार्ट विद f dash which will become 3 upon e square into e power x plus 4 times root over 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Correct? What you need to calculate is f dash of 2, right? When x is 2, y is 3 ना, तो हमें f dash of 2 निकालना है so that g dash of 3 can be evaluated. चलिए कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं. f dash of 2, जैसे x को 2 लिखोगे तो this will become 3, this will become plus 4 root over 4 into 2 plus 12 plus 5. So basically I think it is turning out to be root over 25. root 25 का मतलब कितना हो जाएगा 5. So ये वैल्यू आ जाती है 23 के बराबर. ठीक है, f dash of 2 is 23. Now I need f double dash of x also so that I can evaluate g double dash of y. तो अभी हम लोग निकालने जा रहे हैं f double dash of x. f double dash of x का मतलब एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. तो जरा चेक कर लेते हैं एक बार क्या है हमारे पास. f dash पहले टर्म का डेरिवेटिव वापस यही टर्म आ जाएगी. Then we had 4 root over something, so that root एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं. root over what do we have? 2x square plus 6x plus 5. यानी ये बनेगा 1/2 and the numerator will become 4x plus 6. Right? क्या चाहिए आपको? f double dash of 3 का वैल्यू चाहिए. So f double dash of 2, sorry, not 3, f double dash of 2. ये बनता है 3 plus 2 times 8 plus 6, 14 whole divided by, अभी हमने इसे evaluate किया था, so this becomes 2 into 4, 8 plus 12 plus 5. So square root क्या, that looks like 5. यानी जरा चेक करते हैं अब हमारे पास इसकी वैल्यू कितनी आ रही है. तो ये वैल्यू हमारे पास आती है 15 plus 28 upon 5. यानी कितना बन जाएगा ये? This is going to become 43 upon 5. Correct? अब आपके पास because f double dash of 2 भी है and you also have f dash of 2, let us evaluate now g dash of 3 का integral part plus integral part of modulus of g double dash of 3. So I'm going to put all these values over here now. g dash of 3 के लिए क्या लिखना है? 1 upon f dash of 2. What is 1 upon f dash of 2? 1/23. Then I'm going for the next term, integral part of modulus of g double dash of 3. तो modulus of g double dash of 3 का मतलब हो जाएगा g double dash of 3 is minus f double dash of 2. So negative sign absorb. f double dash of 2 अभी हमने evaluate किया था 43 upon 5 divided by f dash of x का whole cube, right? Divided by f dash of x का whole cube. Now what is f dash of x? We just now calculated. f dash of x is 23. So f dash of x का whole cube यानी ये बन जाएगा 23 का whole cube. Correct? So this is what we need to evaluate. You can see that the integral part of this number is turning out to be 0 and the integral part of this number will also become 0. So my answer to the question finally turns out to be 0. ठीक है, तो हमारे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर क्या आ गया? 0 के बराबर आ गया. तो again beautiful question we have seen. Combination of different concepts and two important concepts. In fact, I would say दोनों ही IT के hot favorite है. Leibniz पे वो सवाल बनाते ही हैं and inverse function के derivative पे also they love framing questions. चलिए. Hope you enjoyed today's question. So don't keep it to yourself. Please share it with your friends and peers. And do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.